Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to message eBay seller. Let's get it started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, search for the item that you are interested or go to the seller store page. Here I'm going to search for the item that I'm interested in. For that, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the item that you want to buy. Like I want to buy a gown dress, tap on it. Now tap on the product you like. I'm tapping on this product and scroll down. And over here you can see a seller just below the name of the item. Tap on it. And this will open their profile. On the seller profile page, look for the contact seller button. Here it is, tap on it. A message interface will appear. Type in your question or inquiry in the text box. Over here, be sure to be clear and polite. Once you have written your message, click on the send button next to the text box. And that's how you message a seller on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.